myself a while, losing hours in a restless pile. Didn't know how to face my name, felt like walking through an empty frame. But something small pulled me back inside, a quiet spark I thought had died. Not a miracle, not a dramatic turn, just the first breath of a soft return. This is my soft return, a slow rebuild from the crash and burn. No finish line, no need to run, just finding pieces one by one. This is my soft return, a calmer pace beneath the churn. I'm stepping back into who I am, not who I was when life began. Starts when the noise grows thin, when you sit with the weight you hold within. I'm learning now to take my time, not to rush what's not yet mine. Some days fall short, some days rise, both count as ways to reorganize. This is my soft return, a slow rebuild from the crash and burn. No finish line, no need to run, just finding pieces one by one. This is my soft return, a calmer pace beneath the churn. I'm stepping back into who I am, not who I was when life began. Not every answer comes with light, some arrive in the middle of the night. I walk with questions by my side, let them shift, not override. Now mornings feel a little less cold, I breathe easier in the stories I hold. I'm learning the strength of saying enough, choosing the paths that keep me tough. No pressure now to prove my worth, I'm reclaiming space on my own earth. And with each step I start to learn, there's power in the soft return. This is my soft return, a slow rebuild from the crash and burn. I'm not the same, but that's alright. Some things grow best away from light. This is my soft return, a quieter fire begins to burn.